my channel. I am super excited today, feeling like such a diva. So today's video is something I haven't done in such a long time, and it's a freaking wig review. I used to do a lot of wig reviews back in the day. Like, it's not my passion. I just like to have nice wigs, wear them and look good, but I don't necessarily like to talk about them unless I really want to share like how good a wig is. I wore this wig and I came alive. Anyways, let's get into it. So I got this wig from SoGood Hair. This is a company I've never worked with before. I'm actually on their website right now, and their website is like so minimal. It's very clean. So I was like, already I like their clean aesthetic. Your hair must be good. Yeah, I'm gonna try their wigs. They asked me what kind of wig I wanted, and I told them I wanted a straight wig because I haven't worn a straight wig in such a long time. I always get like Brazilian wavy wigs that I then straighten. Straightening curly hair all the time does damage the hair, so I was like, you know what, let me just go for a straight wig. The only reason I do straighten it sometimes is because I do tie it up and, you know, it leaves those marks. But you can get those like foam cable hair ties that, you know, a picture of it, and then when you use that, it doesn't leave marks on your hair like it's not supposed to. Anyways, straight natural Brazilian hair, and whew, look at that leg. Oh man, look at. And mind you, I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'9". This is a 20-inch lace wig, so if you're shorter than 5'9", this is gonna like reach your butt. Look at that thickness. Look at that. I swear, I feel like Melanie Campbell right now. Okay. It's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. Anyways, I'm not gonna put it behind my ears because once I did a wig review and like the wig was behind my ears, and somebody commented down below, what's the point of doing a wig review if the wig is gonna be behind your ears all the time? You're just so stupid. Like, she was kind of rude about it, and I was like, whoa, okay, thanks for the lesson, noted. I won't do it again. You don't have to be rude. I'm still learning, jeez. Oh yeah, so this is a 360 lace wig. It comes with 3 combs. There's 2 here and 1 in the back. I only use the one in the back because I don't get why they put combs up here. Like, how are you supposed to use that comb with your wig cap? Yeah, so lace color light brown because I am This shirt is quite revealing, isn't it? It's from Bershka. Anyways, I got the density 150. You can only pick from 2 densities, 130 and 150. There's no 180, but like I understand why, because already 150 is quite thick, and that is something that really impressed me with this wig, is how thick it is. I don't know if you can even tell by me holding it. And honestly, thicker than this with this length would be too much. I look good in that mirror. Let me take a picture. Let me just show you what the wig looked like when it came out of the box. Look how shiny and beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. And so yeah, so you have the combs, and you can see that it's a 360 lace wig. That means that there's lace all around it, and you can part the hair basically anywhere, and you can also put it up in the ponytail. And so yeah, as you can see, it came with baby hairs all around, except the knots are not bleached, even though it says that they are on the website. I did not bleach the knots. I actually just put makeup foundation on the lace, and that was more than enough. And I think I'm just gonna do that from now on, because bleaching knots can actually loosen the weft of the wig and just cause like shedding. I actually used the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 300. That's my color, and this worked perfectly. So what I did is I actually sprayed the lace with, no, I didn't use setting spray. I sprayed the lace with hairspray, and then I put the foundation on just on the front, just where I knew that I might be parting my hair. So I did it really just here, because people are not gonna be looking in the back to see if I bleached my knots. I don't do baby hairs. Like, I do believe that baby hair does not look good on everybody, and baby hairs don't look good on me. You'd think because I have a big forehead that I would need baby hairs to, like, you know. No, my little sister has a smaller forehead, and baby hairs look great on her. I have a bigger forehead, and baby hairs don't look good on me. I don't know if that plays in it, because I mean, Rihanna does have a big forehead, and I guess she kind of does baby hairs, but not really. She just like does this small thing here that even I used to do, but I just stopped trying to copy Rihanna. So I cut off the baby hairs. I'm gonna do a next video on how I prep my wigs, to show you guys like a simple, easy way of doing your wigs and prepping your wigs. And yeah, that's gonna be my next wig video. But for this one, I just wanted to talk to you about this beautiful hair. Like, when a wig company knows how to pre-pluck a wig, like, to me, the most important part of a wig is if it's pre-plucked or not, and if it's pre-plucked properly. Tongue twister. Try and say that 3 times. Pre-plucked properly, pre-plucked properly, pre-plucked properly. Oh my gosh. Oh, good. And comment down below if you're able to do it 3 times. Little game. I don't have the patience to spend 2 hours plucking a wig, you know. So what I would advise you guys to do is, like, before buying a wig, ask the company to pre-pluck it for you. That way, at least, even if it's not done well, at least like a lot of the job is done and you don't have that much to do. That's what I do, because honestly, like, that's the worst part for me, plucking a wig. Ugh. Oh yeah, let me talk about the quality of the hair first of all. When I first got it, the hair was so smooth that I contacted the company. I was like, are you guys sure this is natural hair? Because I had never felt natural hair so smooth, so silky. So it says it's 100% human hair that is not chemically processed. It did not feel synthetic, but it did not feel like what I usually get when I get like human hair wigs. They're like, yeah, all our wigs are human hair. And I was like, it does act like human hair, but the quality was so amazing. And I was like, no way, like, what is this? What kind of material is this? I've never felt this before. This is a luxury. You guys, for the price, like, I've worn wigs that are in the thousands, like 1,300. Like, that's some valuable wig that I have. Escándalo. Obviously, this was sent to me, and so I went on the website and I looked at it and I was like, holy crap, this is $155? This is like the most affordable wig for the quality I've ever seen, you guys. The thing is, I've only been wearing it for a week, so I definitely will do a video update on this wig to tell you guys if it's still good. I'll wear it for like a month and tell you guys, because some wigs are like that. They start off really nicely and then after you realize it's crap. I have experience with wigs, so like, I feel like I can tell if it's gonna be good or not, and from what I'm seeing right now, it's just amazing. The shedding, there is no shedding. Like, there was no hair. Oh, one hair. It's just one. You're supposed to wash your wigs when you first get it, but I'm not doing that. But yeah, like, I'll do a video update, show you guys what it looks like after washing it. So that's it for this wig review. I'm gonna link information that I forgot to mention in the description box, so definitely go take a look. And I'll link I'll link down the wig and yeah, all the good stuff. I'll try and get you guys a discount code. If I do get one, I'll link it down below as well. I should be able to get one, unless they're like jerks. Don't hesitate to ask me questions about the wig. Actually, ask a bunch of questions, that way I can answer them in the update video. And also, it's a pretty goddamn affordable wig. Like, damn. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye guys.